Hi everyone, welcome to level 5 of our business analyst crash course. So in this level, we focus on notification, alerts, and reports. Okay. This is where systems start communicating with users and business teams and support teams, because we build a manual, we convert the manual workflow into automation. So now we have to make our system to inform whatever the decisions coming from system to our business users and also to our customers. So this is where you're going to learn those steps. Okay. So why notifications are important? So every system needs to understand, needs to inform users about what's happening, right? So notification tell users something important has occurred. Both sides. Alert warn teams when something goes wrong. Reports help business leaders track performance and make decisions, right? As a BA, business analyst defines all of this clearly. So our main goal is how to document these, right? How we, first of all, we need to understand. So we have to do the practical and we have to learn how to document. That's our main goal. So the worksheet scenario here, we are continuing the loan application. So we look at the loan application status system, or we can pick up an email registration, right? When you register email, you get a notification. So we can pretty much do the practical first before we document. So the loan can be submitted, approved, or rejected, or your email ID created or rejected. So you guys can you guys can check your triggers, like what information, what notification you got to your inbox when you're completing this flow. Okay. So step 4 here, sample step for the notification. So loan approved. UI success message, right? Like when loan is approved, the system should show a success message on the UI, send an email to the customer, and optionally send SMS notification. This helps the user think about timing. Like you can think the timing and everything if you complete this one. Okay. Next one, alert and monitoring. So if you're wondering what is notification, what is alert and monitoring? Okay, so alerts are different from notifications. They are mainly for internal use teams. For example, if loan processing fails or the system becomes slow, alerts help team take action before user complain. Okay, so those are alerts. It's monitor and alert. This is a critical BA responsibility. So you need to learn those. And so you're going to complete 30 worksheets and you're going to take exam, so you'll master it. Reporting and UI sorting. Okay, so reports turn the data into insights, right? The daily loan applications, approval rates, rejection rates, how long agent is taking to approve this one. So all you can get it from the report. Of this help the business understand what's happening. So UI sorting is also improve usability, like sorting loan by date or approved or rejected. More functionality. Okay, so your key lesson is here. So notification improve user experience, alerts protect the system, reports support business decision. Together they connect IT system with real business needs. Okay, so you will master it end to end when you complete the 30 worksheets. So your next step is this is just one worksheet from level 5. So in the full program, we'll practice 30 worksheet. Okay. So next is we are going to take a look how the data is saved in databases, which is SQL. So that's the level 5. Okay. And I'll see you guys in the level 5. Thanks. I think the level 6, sorry, I did. So we are doing level 5. Level 6 is SQL database. Okay. Thank you.